In the beginning, the world had numbers, plenty of them. There was no concept of nothingness. Little wonder then that mathematics was no mean task. Until India invented the zero, and our recognition of this element changed the grammar of science in the future. Over the years, India made many contributions to science: algebra, trigonometry, atomic concepts, decimal and binary systems, medicine, surgery, the list goes on. Beginning with Sir J.C. Bose, we have repeatedly produced individuals who have defined the course of modern science. Sir C.V. Raman, Janki Amal, Meghnad Saha, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar, Vikram Sarabhai, C.N.R. Rao, and many more. Our progress has been so holistic that today we are one of the only 10 countries capable of launching satellites into space, and one of 6 that have carried out successful moon landings. We have harnessed nuclear power, one of the only 14 countries in the world to do so. The Mark II pump, the solution to the water crisis in the developing world, is an Indian invention. India has been promoting grassroots innovations to meet local needs. These are a few among the many scientific milestones that we have been able to achieve as a nation in the last 60 years. This is the past. How do we ready ourselves for the future? Leela is a 7-year-old curious mind.
Why is the sky blue? Do plants have life? How do cells make protein?
Talented and smart Leela will have a number of career options as she grows up. Can we attract her to science? World over, young people are moving away from basic sciences. Scientific development cannot sustain itself without the infusion of fresh blood. How do we attract little Leela to choose science as a career? Inspire. Step 1 is to awaken the spirit of science in young children. Every year, 2 lakh children in the age group of 10 to 15 years are being identified for the Inspire Award. Each Inspire Award envisions an investment of Rs 5,000 per child. Using this, the student has to create projects which will be exhibited at district, state, and national levels. In the second step, the Inspire internship gives 50,000 children the opportunity to interact with scientists from around the globe through hundreds of annual camps held across the country, infusing excitement for science. In addition, the Inspire Scholarship offers 10,000 annual scholarships of Rs 80,000 each for undertaking bachelor's and master's level education in the natural sciences. Next, the Inspire Fellowship provides the scientifically talented human resource an opportunity for a PhD program. Finally, the Inspire Faculty Scheme gives an assured career opportunity for carefully nurtured talent. India has many excellent centers for science. Leela has little access to any of them. The scheme identifies this queue. Hence, schools are assigned the duty of identifying talent without bringing in competitive examinations at any level. Thus, Inspire identifies and nurtures talent without competition. In 5 steps, Inspire translates Leela's curiosity to passion for doing science. Science will always throw new questions, to puzzle, to amaze, to evoke curiosity. Inspire spots talent at age 12 and carefully nurtures them till age 32, and with this hopes to build critical human resource for expanding S&T and R&D base in India. With this, we can be the masters of the emerging knowledge-based economy, and India can play a significant role in frontiers of science. With Inspire, India is equipped to enter the future with confidence.